If you've been wanting to learn wholesaling, but you feel stuck or overwhelmed, this video is for you. I just created an AI wholesaling coach that's going to walk you guys through your very first deal step by step, and I'm giving you access to this totally free. This is my thank you and appreciation to all of you guys who have supported my channel and journey throughout the years. But here's the deal. I'm only giving the link to the people who watched the video to the end and comment below to let me know that they watched it. So stick with me. I'll show you exactly how it works and how to get it. For those of you who don't know, my name is Tariq Thomas, and after 20 plus years of flipping houses and mentoring new investors, I wanted to create something beginners could use right away. No fluff, no confusion, just straight up help. So let me show you guys exactly how to use this. So when you click on the button on this page, it'll open up the Wholesaling Coach GPT inside of Chat GPT. Now, a quick heads up, you will need a Chat GPT Plus account to access it, which costs about $20 a month. But once you're in, you'll see this. As you can see, it comes with some pre-built conversation starters, but you can pretty much come down here and ask it anything. You could type something like, I'm a beginner, walk me through my first wholesale deal, or what do I say to a seller that inherited a property? Or like, let's say, how do I figure out my maximum allowable offer if the ARV is $200,000? Let me see, hit send. The GPT is trained to explain things in plain English and guide you guys step by step, just like I would if I were mentoring you personally. It also recommends free tools like my cold call script, wholesale contract, MAO calculator, all included in this free download. So if you want the link to access the Wholesaling Coach GPT, here's what to do. Just like the video so we can help other beginners find it, and comment send the GPT down below and I'll reply with the link. That's it. No opt-in, no catch, just real help for real wholesalers who are ready to take action. You'll find everything you need right here on the page, the GPT, the tools, and now the confidence to get started. I'm Tariq Thomas with First Class Flipping. Let's wholesale smarter this year.